So morning guys, as you can see, this is the gold chart. So I don't want to waste a lot of your time. So the past, my if you go and watch my stream, my last stream, you would see that I talked about what we can expect on gold during this coming week. So I anticipated first. Anticipated that we're gonna break this. We're gonna sweep this liquidity that is resting above this area, going a little bit deeper into this POI and our order block right there. But unfortunately, as we can see, gold didn't went into our order block or our point of interest. You can see the two trades that I took. It was around this area, because the reason why I took this area is that we had this push to the upside, then we created this choke right there, and then we had the push retracement, and then we had another break of structure right there, and then when price made another correction, this is where I entered based on this, where this point of interest right there targeting. Then I was targeting this area right there, but as we can see, gold took us out in on break even with a push to the upside and then another retracement, and then I also added another entry targeting our point of interest, but both trades were taken out at break even. So what we can expect now on gold is that as we know, the past week of my past streams, I said that gold is now bearish, and we are planning to take out this swing low right here, because this is a weak swing low and this is our strong swing high. So there's what we can expect now. As we can see, I'm gonna just clean up this area right there. So we had this push to the upside, and then we had a push to the downside, and then a little retracement, and then we had another push to the downside. So gold gave us this choke right there, change of character, and after that change of character, gold medicated this area right there. This area was medicated, and then we had another push to the downside, giving us a clean break of structure. So we can still look for selling opportunities on gold. You can still look for selling opportunities on gold. So where do I expect gold to retrace from, giving us an entry, is that because there's two areas that I'm currently looking at to sell gold from, and the first area is this area right there. The reason why I'm saying this area right there is that this area is sitting around, was a support, and then we took it out, and then we invalidated this. We break through that support. Now this support turned into a resistance, plus there's also our an order block right there, or a point of interest, what people are calling it. So that's the first area that I'm looking at. And the second area is that you can expect gold to retrace from this area right there. So there's two areas, so you just have to watch price during London session or New York session, and then you can target your swing lows right there. So there isn't much. So we can still look for sales targeting the swing low. That's the first area, and then the second area is this one. The second area is that one. So it's very simple, guys. Now we are just looking for selling opportunities, nothing else. And this is a 1 to 6 risk reward. The other one is a 1 to 5 risk reward. So what you just have to look for confirmation around this area to take your sales, or a confirmation from that area to target your swing low. For now, as you can see, we are bearish, guys. So you have to look for selling opportunities. Just look for selling opportunities. So until I believe after we take out this swing low, gold's gonna price in, and then we're gonna hopefully see that we're gonna target all-time highs. But I believe that all-time highs will hopefully be priced in end of December or next year January. But for now, we will keep on looking for selling opportunities. So I'm currently in a sell trade around this area. So if price still comes to our area and we can see price move to the downside, I'm gonna add more entries to target our swing low, our weak swing low. So just be cautious, guys. Just be cautious. So you also have to keep in mind the fundamentals. Let's check news that is currently what's gonna happen today. I think it's CPI. I'm not sure. Let me quickly just filter this out. We're just looking for high expected news. So okay, we have this non-farm employment change. We have that is today. So we're gonna expect price. We're gonna see what's price gonna do around that time. And then yeah, this is now for the week. Currently it's Wednesday, so we have this news that is coming out today. So hopefully that one could give us our entry to take our sales on gold. So yeah, guys, it's not much, but we're gonna keep on looking for selling opportunities. Just look for selling opportunities, that's all. So I'm out. Take care, guys.